Hello students, here are some of the very important questions which will be asked for very short answer questions for 2 marks from states of matter lesson. So here is the first question. What are STP conditions? Standard temperature and pressure. Standard temperature and pressure means here the temperature is 273.15 Kelvin or 0 degrees Celsius temperature and 1 bar or 10 to the power of 5 Pascal pressure. These are the standard temperature and pressure conditions. Next, what is an ideal gas? Here, the gas which obeys all gas laws at all temperatures and pressures is called an ideal gas. Next question, state Boyle's law and give its mathematical expression. So now we'll tell Boyle's law. At constant temperature, the pressure of a fixed amount of gas is inversely proportional to its volume. Now we'll see the mathematical expression for Boyle's law. Here P means pressure. Pressure is inversely proportional to volume at constant temperature and number of moles. We can remove this proportionality constant. So PV is equal to constant. Next question. State Charles' law. Give its mathematical expression. Here in Charles' law, at constant pressure, the volume of fixed mass of gas is directly proportional to its absolute temperature. So volume is directly proportional to temperature at constant pressure and number of moles. So V by T is equal to constant. Next, Avogadro's state Avogadro's law. Equal volumes of all gases under similar conditions of temperature and pressure contain equal number of molecules. So here volume is directly proportional to number of moles or molecules. So pressure and temperature are constant then. Next question. State Dalton's law of partial pressure. Here Dalton's law of partial pressure is the total pressure exerted by a mixture of chemically non-reacting gases at given temperature and volume is equal to the sum of the partial pressures of the component gases. So total pressure is equal to, these are the partial pressures of the gases. So here sum of the partial pressures of the component gases is the total pressure. So this is Dalton's law. Next is state Graham's law of diffusion. Here Graham's law of diffusion is at constant temperature and pressure, the rate of diffusion of a gas is inversely proportional to the square root of its density or vapor density or molecular weight. So here rate of diffusion is inversely proportional to the square root of the molecular weight, or rate of diffusion is inversely proportional to the square root of the density or vapor density. So this is Graham's law of diffusion. Next question. What is Boltzmann constant? Give its value. So here Boltzmann constant, gas constant per one molecule is called Boltzmann constant. So Boltzmann constant is denoted by K. So this R is the gas constant by number of molecules, moles. So K is the Boltzmann constant. Its value is 1.38 into 10 to the power of minus 23 kilojoules per molecule. Or it can also be given in ergs also, 1.38 or 10 to the power of minus 16 erg per Kelvin per molecule. Next question. What is compressibility factor? The ratio of actual molar volume of a gas to the molar volume of a perfect gas under same conditions. So here compressibility factor is denoted by Z. So volume of actual This is the molar volume of actual gas by perfect gas. Molar volume of the perfect gas. So this is compressibility factor. For ideal gas it is 1. So these are the very short answer questions which will be asked from the states of matter lesson. Okay children, thank you.